good day, Miss Kai. By the way, I am Miss Macadingo and I will be discussing about the computer radiography. So what is computer radiography? So this is the digital imaging techniques used in radiology to produce a diagnostic images of the human body. And it involves the uses of phosphor plate which captures X-ray images. And it is a generic term applied to an imaging system comprised of photostimulable storage phosphor, which to acquire the X-ray projection of the image. Second is computer radiography reader, is to extract the electronic latent image. Third, the digital electronics, which convert the signal to the digital form. So, as you can see, sa likod, makita nato ang duha ka computer radiographer detector, which are the photostimulable storage phosphor and the cassette holder. So, kanang color black, muna siya ang PSP, which is the photostimulable storage phosphor. Yung kanang color white, muna siya ang cassette. Muna siya ang cassette holder. And then, sa PCAS, muna siya ang computer radiographer reader. Kabanay man ang recognized screen na sa color black, muna siya ang information panel. Dayon, ang sa kanang nasa ubos, muna siya ang plate stacker kanang may araw-araw. So, in computer radiography image acquisition, muna siya ang imaging plates are exposed to X-rays or gamma rays. The energy of the incoming radiation is stored in a special phosphor layer. And specialized siya na machine known as a scanner and is used to read out the latent image from the plate by stimulating it every finely focused layer beam. So, as you can see, na image reader muna siya ang access the entire cassette mechanically and opens and removes the PSP plate. And then, next is kanang scaling. Ang scaling as muna siya, linear information that mo change sa size sa mathematical objects. Then, kanang sa sunod kay image record. So, kanang na time, diyan na ma-record ang image until makita niyo mo ang result. So, in computer radiography networking, there is a DICOM, technologies, workstation, modality workflows, and process of the image output. So, DICOM is the digital imaging communication in medicine. And this is provides the architecture for the modality, interfaces, storage, and retrieval, and print the functions. Digital X-ray detector acquisition is the X-ray transmitted through the patient. Then it collects charge device to digital pixel matrix, and then will process na siya to display which digital to analog converter, and then down to archiving na siya to involve storing and acquired images for the future references and retrieval. So as you can see, na ito ka image which are the raw data and the contrast enhanced. So ang raw data is muna siya ang kasabot ka, wala siya na-enhance wala siya enhance ayo ang images. And then next is the image manipulation. So, dapat na siya sa kabuo is a black bone and the is enhanced. So, muna siya then, next image kay dual energy imaging. Ang dual energy imaging muna siya ang low energy image o high energy